The fastest way to sound senior is not confidence. It's one sentence you stop saying after your point. Most professionals ruin authority with one reflex. They keep talking to prove they are right. Here is the decision first script. Say my recommendation is X, then because it gives us Y result. Then stop, full silence. If someone interrupts, say one line, then I am done. Deliver one line, stop again. You are not being rude, you are training the room to treat your words as final. Save this, try it once, and watch what changes.